In this video, we're going to show you how to scrape online community discussions using Browse AI, one of the easiest and most powerful tools for extracting data from websites. Whether you're tracking trends, analyzing competitors, or just gathering insights from online forums, this tool makes it incredibly simple. And the best part? You can try it for free using the link below with our exclusive bonuses. If you've ever wanted to pull information from Reddit, Facebook groups, or specialized community platforms, Browse AI can make the process fast and effortless. You don't need any coding experience, and you don't have to rely on complex scraping setups or unreliable manual methods. It's all about automating data extraction from those community-driven spaces, and Browse AI delivers just that. Browse AI works by simulating human behavior on a website, meaning it can scrape text, images, links, and more without getting blocked. It doesn't just pull data, it can also monitor changes in these communities in real time, which is crucial for understanding discussions as they evolve. Whether you're following trending topics or looking for niche discussions within certain communities, Browse AI lets you capture that data as if you're browsing the web yourself. One of the most valuable features is the ability to create your own web scraping robots. These are simple workflows that tell Browse AI exactly what to capture, like the number of upvotes on Reddit posts, key comments, or threads that are receiving attention. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills to set these up. Just point and click, and the tool learns what you want to scrape. You can also set up automated alerts that notify you whenever new content matching your criteria is posted. This makes it ideal for businesses and marketers tracking customer sentiment in real time. It's the perfect tool to keep tabs on industry trends, monitor competitors, and spot opportunities by analyzing how online communities discuss specific topics. Now, if you're new to Browse AI, here's a quick walkthrough. Once you sign up, you can install the browser extension or access the platform online. From there, you simply visit the community page you want to scrape, and Browse AI will automatically suggest how to extract the information. You can even define specific actions to monitor, for example, scraping the title of each new post, the number of responses, or user-generated content from a forum. Another huge benefit of Browse AI is the flexibility it offers. It doesn't matter if you want to scrape just one page, a set of posts, or monitor an entire community over time. Browse AI allows you to build a custom workflow around exactly what you need, saving you countless hours that would otherwise be spent manually gathering data. You can easily export the data to formats like CSV or directly integrate it into your business analytics tools. If you're tracking online reviews, product discussions, or trying to gain insights into consumer behavior, Browse AI can automate the entire process. But don't just take my word for it. Browse AI has been a game changer for digital marketers, researchers, and even content creators who want to dig deeper into online communities. It offers a seamless experience, and by scraping data from popular platforms like Reddit or specialized forums, you can gather actionable insights for your next marketing campaign, product development, or content creation strategy. By using Browse AI, you're not only saving time, but also gaining a competitive edge in understanding the pulse of your audience. If you're serious about staying on top of online trends and improving your marketing strategy, this tool is something you can't afford to miss. As I mentioned earlier, you can try Browse AI for free from the link below with an exclusive extended trial. The only thing you have to lose is the time spent on manual data collection. So don't wait, check out the link, sign up for Browse AI, and start scraping online community discussions today.